how to compare Google AdSense and YouTube AdSense. Welcome to our video where we'll help you understand the differences and similarities between Google AdSense and YouTube AdSense. Whether you're a content creator or a website owner, knowing how these platforms work can optimize your revenue. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their platforms. It's suitable for various types of websites, including blogs, news sites, and forums. You sign up, add the ad code to your website, and Google delivers targeted ads based on your site's content and visitor demographics. Your earnings are determined by the number of clicks or impressions the ads receive. On the other hand, YouTube AdSense is integrated within the YouTube Partner Program. It allows YouTube creators to monetize their videos through ads. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're eligible, ads will start appearing on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue. The main distinction between the two is the platform. Google AdSense targets websites, while YouTube AdSense focuses on video content. The ad formats also differ. Google AdSense offers text, display, and link ads, whereas YouTube AdSense offers pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads tailored for videos. In terms of payment, both platforms generally follow a monthly payout schedule once you meet the payment threshold of $100. However, the revenue potential can vary. YouTube ads often yield higher revenue per engagement due to their dynamic nature and audience engagement levels. For those managing both a website and a YouTube channel, you can use both programs to maximize your income. Align your content strategy for each platform to cater to the audience and ad types to see the best results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights and tips.